Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 25 October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Misra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing, a humble request to them, please subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous question. We have to answer it first. Our first question was, who has developed COVID technology for COVID-19? IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Delhi, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is IIT Kharagpur. Recently, IIT Kharagpur has developed a COVID technology for the diagnosis of COVID-19 disease. Okay. Our second question was, who is the national brand ambassador of Parle Agro? Alia Bhatt, Priyanka Chopra, Aishwarya Rai, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Priyanka Chopra. Recently, Parle Agro appointed Priyanka Chopra as their brand ambassador. Okay, remember Priyanka Chopra is the brand ambassador of Parle Agro. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when World Development Information Day is observed? 24 October, 25 October, 26 August, or option D, 27 September. The correct answer here is option A, 24 October. On 24 October, every year World Development Information Day is observed. Okay, remember one thing, on 24 October, another two important day also observed. One is World Polio Day. World Polio Day also observed in 24 October, and United Nation Establishment Day or UN Day, United Nation Day also observed in 24 October, because on 24 October United Nation is established. Okay, I hope you got the information now. Next question. Saad al-Hariri reappointed as the Prime Minister of which country? Israel, Lebanon, Japan, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Lebanon. Saad al-Hariri recently reappointed as the Prime Minister of Lebanon. Okay, you can see the image of Saad al-Hariri here. Lebanon is in news. The capital of Lebanon is Beirut. Beirut is the capital, and Lebanese pound. Lebanese pound is the currency of Lebanon. A very massive blast. You can see the before 2 months ago in Beirut also. Okay. Next question. Who has constituted an advisory committee for reforms in urban planning education? Reform in urban planning education. Niti Aayog, RBI, SEBI, or option D, none of these. The answer here is Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog recently constituted a 14-member committee for advisory committee for the reforms in urban planning education. Okay. Do you know who is the chairman of Niti Aayog? Chairman of Niti Aayog is Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. Vice chairman is Rajiv Kumar. Remember, Rajiv Kumar is the vice chairman of Niti Aayog, and CEO of Niti Aayog is Amitabh Kant. Amitabh Kant is the CEO of Niti Aayog. Now, one thing, Niti Aayog is established in 2015 for the replacement of the Planning Commission. Okay. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Which country joined IMF as 190th member recently? Andorra, Oman, Brazil, or option D, Belarus? The answer here is option A, Andorra. Recently, Andorra joined as the 190 number member of the IMF, International Monetary Fund. Okay, the Andorra is situated between France and Spain. It is situated between France and Spain. Okay, the capital of Andorra is Andorra la Vella. Andorra la Vella is the capital, and Andorra euro is the currency of Andorra. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which district top in implementation of the PMSGY प्रधानमंत्री ग्राम सड़क योजना? लखनऊ, संबलपुर, मंडी और ऑप्शन डी रायपुर. The correct answer here is option C, Mandi. Recently, Mandi district top in the implementation of the PMGSY or the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Mandi. The Mandi is a district of Himachal Pradesh. District of Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Capital of Himachal Pradesh is Simla. Chief Minister is Jairam Thakur. Jairam Thakur is the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh. And Bandaru Dattraiah is the governor of Himachal Pradesh. I hope you got the facts also now. Question number 6. Which bank ties up with Toyota Motors? Bank of Baroda, Indian Bank, SBI or option D PNB? The answer here is Bank of Baroda. So option A is correct here. Recently, Bank of Baroda ties up with Toyota Motors for their insurance. Okay, remember, Bank of Baroda headquarters is situated in Vadodara. Chairman of the Bank of Baroda is Hashmukh Adhia, and CEO of the Bank of Baroda is Sanjeev Chadha. Sanjeev Chadha is the CEO of Bank of Baroda. Okay, next question. The 6th Vande Bharat mission launched in which city of China? Beijing, Wuhan, Shanghai, option D none of these. The answer here is option B, Wuhan. Recently, the 6th Vande Bharat mission of India launched to the city of China, name is Wuhan. Okay, the first coronavirus case is seen in Wuhan, and Wuhan is the first corona hub of the world. Okay. And recently the Vande Bharat mission, the 6th Vande Bharat mission to China is launched to the Wuhan city. Okay. A health protection campaign will be launched in which state? Bihar, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, option D, West Bengal. Can you guess the answer here? The answer here is option C, Chhattisgarh. Recently, in Chhattisgarh, a health protection campaign will be going to be launched. Okay, to control the spread of coronavirus. This health campaign, the basic purpose of this health campaign is to control the spread of COVID-19 or the coronavirus. Okay. Next question. India got chairmanship of ILO, International Labour Organization, after how many years? 25, 30, 35 or option D 40? The correct answer here is 35. Option C is correct here. Recently, India got the chairmanship of ILO, International Labour Organization, after 35 years. ILO governance body. Okay, India got the chairmanship of ILO governance body after 35 years. Okay, and Apurva Chandra is going to be the chairman in the ILO governance body. Apurva Chandra from India. Okay, the headquarters of the ILO is situated in Geneva, Switzerland. Headquarters is situated. Okay, and about 187 members are there in ILOs, are the member of International Labour Organization. Okay. Question number 10. Which country banned the COVID-19 vaccine from China? Russia, Brazil, Italy or option D India? The correct answer here is option B, Brazil. Recently, Brazil banned the COVID-19 vaccine which would be launched, which would be going to be import to Brazil. It is banned by Brazil. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia. Brasilia is the capital. Brazilian real is the currency of Brazil, and Prime Minister of Brazil is Jair Bolsonaro. Remember the name, Jair Bolsonaro is the Prime Minister of Brazil. I hope you got the facts also now. Okay, as per you know, this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Okay, our first question is, who has launched YSR Bima scheme for BPL family? Our second question is, who is appointed as brand ambassador of India's beauty brand Bhega? India's beauty brand Bhega. Please try to answer in the comment section. Thereby, a regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for you. And finally, happy Dasara to all of you. Enjoy with your family along with your preparation. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related Facebook or WhatsApp group. Okay, and if you first visit Educational Wing, must subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you. Have a great day.